Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 2 3. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. B. B for bat, B for ball. Kids again use red color and draw C. C for cat, C for cow. D. D for doll, D for door. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids again use red color and draw G. G for God. Kids now draw H. H for helicopter and use blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of H. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nest. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use black color. Black color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2 3 4 5. Kids again use black color and draw 6. The numbers of 6 7 8 Kids now draw 9 and again use black color. Black color. 10. The numbers of 10 11 12 13 14. Again use black color and draw 15. The last tree draw 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.